Now, talking about and promoting Live Good products is a highly effective way to get people to obviously look into the products and buy them, hopefully as members. All right, for $9.95 a month, guys, you get full wholesale on Live Good products, and it's substantial, believe me. If you want to spend 10 a month to save 50 or 100, you do it. That's how I became a member of Live Good, and then eventually an affiliate maniac like I am now, okay? But the products speak for themselves. This is not an MLM where you buy a bunch of products that are overpriced, that you can't even sell publicly, or the company zaps you, terminates you, okay? This is a company where all the money goes into the ingredients, okay? Very expensive ingredients, but we are 30 to 70% cheaper than anyone else because we focus on wholesale. Okay, we don't jack the prices up to profit on the product sales. Okay, if a product costs $15 to make and then ship to Jupiter, Florida to our facility to ship, worldwide, either through the U.S. Post Office here locally in the United States, and then of course internationally we use DHL International. Okay, but if a product is $15, we probably charge you $17. Okay, we keep the products rock bottom. So if you do buy them to resell in your gym or on your Amazon store or maybe out of the back of your trunk, you can make profit retailing. A lot of people, they just want to buy the products as a member so that they can take those products on my mini fridge there and put them in your guts for as cheap as possible. Okay, that's what I eventually did when I signed up clear back as just a member back in 2022, okay, a couple of years and a half ago. All right. And then when I became a member, I spent $10 a month to save about 40. And I'm like, God, that adds up, 12 months times $40. I'm like, that's a lot of Hot Wheels and Lego kits and crazy stuff I can buy to put on my walls. Then a friend of mine got a hold of me, and I'll never forget because he goes, yeah, have you heard of Live Good? And I'm like, oh yeah, definitely. I like the products. No, as an affiliate, as to earn money. And I'm like, I didn't even know they were an affiliate company. I was buying Super Reds from Dr. Gundry. He has glasses and a white Santa beard like I do. And he was telling me about the benefits of beets, red stuff to put in your guts. And the container's this big. It's about $50, $60 a month. And it's supposed to last every month, and it doesn't. It runs out like after 20 days. Okay. Then I found Super Reds. If you look kind of where I'm pointing right now, you're going to see a big old jar of Super Reds. I really recommend that you buy that product. Look at how big the container is. It's like half the price of Super Beets. And you know what? Our product, Live Good, is organic on top of it. Okay, so when I was buying the Super Reds, of course, right next to it, I started buying the Super Greens. I like amino acid. I love factor 4, magnesium. I've been taking all this stuff for a long time, almost 30 years. And right now, our ingredients have a lot of stuff I've been taking, all packaged in a bottle, in a container, in a pouch. And I'm like, thank you. And I looked at the ingredients, and they're better than the products I've been taking the last 20, 30 years. Okay, so I've been a big fan of just the products of Live Good. Now, when you want to be an affiliate, you think, okay, what is that? What is an affiliate? Well, in Live Good's case, it's where you just talk about the products. And if you want to earn money, all you got to do is just kind of be a cheerleader and just say, guys, if you'd like to, check out this link, click this, watch a short video. It's our CEO, Ben Glinsky. He talks about the products, the opportunity, how you can earn money. Done. Because a lot of people don't want to do video like I'm doing now. I just bought a webcam at Best Buy. I got one of those little lights. You can see in the reflection of my glasses here. And I just chit chat for like 5 to 10 minutes because I know this video, if I leave it on YouTube for years and years, thousands of people will watch this eventually. And if they want to go to joincory.com, they can check out Live Good. Because we're signing up I think we average about 60,000 people per month. We were hitting 100,000 last year, but we already got 2 million people signed up in a little over 2.5 years. And the only way that people can sign up in the company is to be an affiliate. That's where, not that I'm begging you, but if you got two $20 bills, if you have $40, I highly suggest you invest that in yourself. And the first couple people that sign up with you anyway, you got $50 coming back to you. All right, this company is designed to where you get your money back fast. So if you're going to be a cheerleader or make videos or email people or invite people through social media and say, hey, check out Live Good. What do you think? Okay, you don't like it? That's cool. Because everything you're going to do is probably what I'm doing. where you just invite people to watch short little videos. People do not want to call you. People don't want to even text you. Inbox you maybe now and then on Facebook. Okay, but people just want to be by themselves, watch short little videos, usually on their cell phone, home computer, or laptop, and they can tell, number one, do they even like the Live Good products? Number two, they look at the ingredients and the price, wholesale, retail. You want to be an affiliate? It's $40 one time for life. That's it. Not recurring. Not every month. Not every year. $40. That's it. You're an affiliate. Then you just got to be a member. And that's only $10 a month minus a nickel. You got $9.95. I know you do. Okay? Put these products in your guts. And if they make you feel good, awesome. You're not going to be embarrassed about talking about Live Good.